Welcome back, a little about a lot. I was out in the shop and I realized that I didn't give a good description on the wireless light switch that I have out here. This is the SuperInk wireless light switch, one remote, one receiver, no wiring, no Wi-Fi needed, ceiling lamps, light fixtures, whatever it is. Comes with this sweet little keychain here. Let me get it out of my pocket. Comes with a sweet keychain here, and we'll turn on the light. Just like that, super easy to wire, no big deal. Thought I'd give a little review on it because I believe in it. I had it for about a year and a half now. Comes with a button switch, which is battery powered. Just boom, it's on, boom, it's off. Wired it into like a normal switch, has this wire that sticks out here. Definitely give it a thumbs up on that. So if you're looking for a little bit of an upgrade into your shop or garage or whatever it is, and it's, you know, you don't want to walk across from your house or whatever it is to come out to turn the switch on. You want to be able to do it from your house, but it's too far away. You don't want to run wires. This little keychain thing works great. I can do it from about 150 feet away on my driveway. The tree gets in the way a little bit, but I can get it very far away. If I get it out of the way, boom, it stops right up. Definitely give it a thumbs up in the review. I'll put it down in the description. And that's all I really want to do on this video. Stay tuned. See you on the next one.